Hello and nice to see you again, devs. Today we will discuss how to install Wagtail Bakery on a local computer. We will start on Windows first. For Mac computers, it will be discussed in the next video. Let's revisit the GitHub of this demo bakery. Bakery can be installed on Gitpod, Vagrant, Docker, and virtual env. We will only install in virtual env. We scroll down. Here are the steps to install it. But sometimes the explanation here is still quite confusing to some people. That is why I will explain how to easily and practically install Bakery in virtual env. Before installing Wagtail Bakery, our computer must have Python installed. First of all, we need to create a folder on the computer that we named Home. Create a virtual environment in this Home folder. Type py-m vnv virtual env /bakery. Then press enter. When it's finished, let's check the Wagtail Bakery folder. Now we have a virtual environment called Bakery in the virtual env folder. Then we create a folder in the Home folder with the same name as our virtual environment name. Type mkdir bakery. This bakery folder is what will become our working folder. Then we close the command prompt. Next, we open web browser and go to the GitHub Wagtail Bakery demo. In the code menu, we click then select download zip. Then, we extract the result of the download. There will be a bakery demo main folder. We copy and paste all the contents of the bakery folder, bakery demo main, into our working folder. Then we enter the virtual env folder after that to the bakery script. Then from this script folder, enter again to the command prompt. In command prompt, type activate to activate virtual env. Virtual env bakery is now active. Continue by going to our working folder. Type cd c home bakery. We are now in the bakery working folder. Next, type pip install r requirements development.txt. If there is a warning like this, we can update the PIP. Type py-m pip install -- upgrade pip. Open our Windows Explorer again, then go to the bakery working folder. From this folder, we go to the bakery demo folder, and then to the settings folder. Inside, there is a file named local.py.example. We will rename it to local.py. Open the file with Notepad or another text editor. Fill in from bakery demo.settings.dev import. Then back to the command prompt. Create a file named .env in our working folder. Type null space right arrow space .env. Now we check in the working folder. we already have an env file. Open the contents of the file with the text editor. Fill in Django settings module equal to bakery demo.settings.local. Then save. At this point, the bakery demo is ready for database migration. Type pymanage.py migrate. Migration process begins. There are quite a number of tables. After a successful database migration, we continue with loading the initial data. Type pymanage.py load initial data. Your data is loaded. The bakery's doors are almost ready to open. Now it's time for us to run the Django server. As usual, we type pymanage.py run server. Open a web browser at this address. Yes, the Wagtail Bakery landing page has appeared. Let's take a quick look at this GitHub bakery demo. Here, it is stated to enter the admin dashboard, then the username is admin. The password is change.me. Okay, now we have also successfully entered the admin dashboard. And with that, my video about how to install Wagtail on Windows is finished. See you guys in the next video.